Welcome to Financial Education Club Module 1. You have to follow these steps in order to build business credit. Be sure to follow each step, step by step. Don't do one step, two steps, and go out there and try to apply. It's not going to work. But once you follow these steps and you get down to step 10 and you finish, you'll be able to start applying for vendor credit. Right here in Module 1, what you want to do is go over and take a look at it. Read. It's about a 5-minute read right here. It'll show you why uh, you don't have to use your social security number. This corporation or LLC is a separate entity from yourself. But read over this. It'll show you what a business credit score is, what business bureaus you need to know, how are business credit scores determined. Because everything's different from personal. And then how to get started. So once you get down here in Module 1, you want to be able to pick out a name for your business. And once you do that, we'll head over to Module 2. I'll see you over there.